नमस्ते बच्चों, I am JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will see some problems on basis and dimension. First problem is, so that the set 1 2 1 and in second bracket 2 1 0 and in third bracket 1 minus 1 2 forms a basis for V3F. For the solution, we know that the set 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 forms a basis for V3F. Therefore, dimension of V3F is equal to 3. Since the given set also contains 3 vectors, it will form a basis for V3F. If it is linearly independent, then let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 belongs to capital F, means field. Then a linear combination, that is alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus alpha 3 x3 is equal to 0, can be written as alpha 1, the value of x1 is 1 to 1, plus alpha 2 2 1 0 plus alpha 3, the value of x3 is 1 minus 1 2 is equal to 0 0 and 0. We nominate this expression as the equation first. Now this can be written as alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equal to 0, 2 alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 is equal to 0. This is equation third. And alpha 1 plus 2 alpha 3 is equal to 0. This is equation 4. Now solving equations second, third and 4, we get alpha 1 is equal to 0, alpha 2 is equal to 0 and alpha 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the given set of vectors is linearly independent and hence the basis for V3F. Now the next question, find two different bases of R to the power 4 which contains the vectors 1 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 1, or capital X is equal to 1 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 1 is a subset of the vector space R to the power 4 R, so that capital X is a linearly independent and it can be extended to become a basis of R to the power 4 R. Construct this basis. For the solution, we suppose x1 is equal to 1 1 0 0 and x2 is equal to 0 0 1 1. The natural basis of the vector space R to the power 4 R being E1, E2, E3, E4, we consider the set S is equal to x1, x2, E1, E2 and E3 and E4. Clearly, the set is linearly dependent as it contains more than 4 vectors and dimension of R to the power 4 R is equal to 4. We extract from it a linearly independent set whose span is the same as the set of S. We see that x2 is not equal to alpha x1 for any scalar alpha belongs to capital R. Therefore, the vectors x1 and x2 are linearly independent. Further, E1 is not a linear combination of x1 and x2. Then E1 is equal to 1 0 0 is not equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 is equal to alpha 1, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 2. Therefore, the vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, E1 are linearly independent. Now let E2 is equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus alpha 3 E1, that is the value of E2 is 0 1 0 0 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 3, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 2. Now comparing both sides and get alpha 1 plus alpha 3 is equal to 0, alpha 1 is equal to 1, alpha 2 is equal to 0. So alpha 3 is equal to minus 1. Thus E2 is equal to 1 x1 plus 0 x2 plus minus 1 E1. This shows that E2 is linear combination of x1, x2, E1. Therefore, E2 is to be rejected. Now, next E3 is equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus alpha 3 E1, that is 0 0 1 0 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 3 alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 2. On comparing, this is alpha 1 plus alpha 3 is equal to 0, alpha 1 is equal to 0, alpha 2 is equal to 1, alpha 2 is equal to 0. But this is not possible. Therefore, E3 is linearly independent of x1, x2, E1. Finally, we show that E4 is equal to x2 minus E3, so that E4 is also rejected. Hence, the set x1, x2, E1, E3 is a basis of R to the power 4. A second basis of R to the power 4 can be obtained by considering the set of vectors x1, x2 and the unit vectors e1, e2, e3, e4 in different order. We can show that such a basis is x1, x2, e1, e4 or x1, x2, e2, e3 or x1, x2, e2, e4. Thank you.